So we're here in the cleaning aisle now, and very many cleaning products come in plastic containers. In this case, the Dawn dishwashing soap, we can check that bottom. It's got that number 1. It's a PET. The lid is a different material. You can see how it's kind of that milky color compared with the clear, but that's okay. Eastman can take both materials, so go ahead and put this entire container in the recycle bin when you're all done with your dish soap. A lot of the other products in the cleaning aisle are actually made with that number 2, HDPE. And you'll see a lot of them are opaque. So in this case, this has that full body wrap on it, that plastic film that's over the top. But then a really similar product just has the sticker. Either way, these are both that HDPE product. So the bottle itself, go ahead and stick the whole thing in the recycle bin. Now the sprayer is a little bit different. It has some metal in it to make it function properly. So the sprayer has to go into the trash today. But the bottles put in your bin. Even really harsh things like a bleach container, or you've got Drano, or even motor oil. These are all different opaque containers. They've all got different colorants in them, but they're all still that number 2 polyethylene product. So you can go ahead, Eastman can recycle these, stick them in the bin, and we'll turn them into a new material. Now there is also some complex packaging that you'll see. So with this air freshener, this is actually a plastic air freshener container, and there's multiple plastics here. The base is a different material than this middle part, which is a different material than the sprayer at the top, and it's got this film on the outside. So there's at least 4 materials here. In this case, on the back, they have labeled it as a 7. So they're saying this is an other. We don't know exactly what each of these components is. We know that Eastman can't take the sprayer because of that metal right now. So go ahead and throw the sprayer away. But once you're done with the product, you can leave the film on the bottle and put that whole bottle in the bin.